Hello everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on the art of alopecia. For those who don't know me, my name is Marcy, and on this YouTube channel we primarily do wig reviews, but I'm also very active on a few other social media platforms. I have my Instagram and my TikTok. You can also find me under the name The Art of Alopecia. I also have a Gmail account that you can happily email me the old-fashioned way. You don't have social media, or if you don't necessarily feel comfortable reaching out via social media, you can always just pop me an email at theartofalopecia@gmail.com, and I would be so happy to connect. Also offer virtual wig consultations for anyone who may be having a difficult time navigating the online wig and alternative hair world, because I know it can be so incredibly intimidating. I made all the mistakes in my wig journey, so you guys don't have to. So I am just here to be a helping hand. I have tried endless brands, so many different kinds of cap constructions. I really have gotten a good sense of what wig is good for one person but may not be good for the other. So I would love to help you guys feel more confident in making that choice and help prevent you from making the same mistakes I did. So if you are ready to book a virtual wig consultation, I would absolutely love that. You can visit my website at theartofalopecia.com, and I will see you soon. Alrighty, let's get into the real reason why you clicked on this video, and that is to see yet another wig review from the brand RPGSHOW. I'm super excited to show you guys this wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. I have done a few reviews thus far with RPGSHOW, and they are so wonderful to work with, and they have just such beautiful pieces for really good prices. So if you are shopping for alternative hair, especially human hair on a budget, I would highly recommend adding RPGSHOW to your list of brands to check out, because let me tell you, I'm always pleasantly surprised whenever I receive a package from them. So for those who follow me on Instagram may or may not have seen that I already posted an unboxing video, as I always do before I do my reviews, because I love to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek, get you guys excited for the review, add a little clip there. But today we are going to be looking at the wig Hair by Sam 027NG. They don't really have like specific names for their wigs, which I find a little bit odd, but honestly I have the direct link, so you don't have to worry. I will give you all the specs, so no need to worry about any of that. That is the wig that we are reviewing. I'm not going to do an unboxing because I've done many before. But in terms of what's inside, they always send so many goodies, which I always appreciate. Without further ado, let's get into it. Here is the gorgeous wig. I'm not even gonna pretend to remember her name, but it's okay. The direct link is down below. We don't need to worry about her. We're just gonna call her 027. The color is not exactly the same, but it is pretty close. And also keep in mind that when you are shopping online, pictures that they post may not be in the same light that you're opening the box in. So I know RPGSHOW prides themselves on trying to make things as perfect as possible, especially when color matching. So they did a pretty good job for mine. But if you have any concerns, then you can always reach out to them. They are so lovely. Wig details that I have in front of me is this is a caramel blonde with ash blonde highlights. It is a human hair wig. I don't know the origin behind the hair, so I can't help you with that. Her hair length is 20 inches. She is a long girl. She is 180% in density, so she is quite on the higher end of the density scale, which means she basically has a good thickness to her, which basically means that she has a lot of hair. She is made with transparent Swiss lace, and we're gonna look at the cap construction first. Oh, and also you guys can customize this wig to a T. If you wanted a lower or a higher density, you can do that. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer, you can change the hair length, the hair texture, you can change the bleach knots, you can get a pre-cut lace service. There are so many things that you can customize on the RPGSHOW website, which I absolutely love. So let's say you're not a huge fan of the length, or if you want it in a lower density but you love the hair color, then I would highly recommend checking out the website, following the link down below. The cap construction is very similar to the other one that I just reviewed a few months ago, but this is their new 3D Glueless Max Lace Closure Wig. That is a lot of words. Let's unpack her. So first and foremost, we have a lace front from ear to ear and a lace top. So this is technically a glueless cap. You don't have to worry about applying any glue or adhesive because it does technically have these ear tabs, which is amazing. So there's actually quite a lot of structure to this cap construction, so you don't have to apply any adhesive or any glue or any tape if you don't want to. And then you also have all of this room to part her in different ways or to style her within the lace. And then at the back, we have a machine close wefted back. We've got some combs that can be easily removed if you are a baldy like me. We have a resistance band. This is going to sit right at the back nape and really gonna grip the wig to your scalp. I love when wigs have one of these. And what's unique about the RPGSHOW cap constructions is they have a pull string at the back. So you can tighten it and loosen it as you please. It's much different than like the hooks. Like this way, you can get a much snug fit, especially if you have a small head like me and you struggle to find budget-friendly wigs that usually only come in like 1 to 2 sizes. I don't exactly know what size this is. I'll probably be able to tell you guys when I put it on my head, but they have 2 different sizes. They have their size 1, which is circumference 21.5 inches to 22 inches, and then they have circumference 2, which is 22.5 to 23. So I would argue that this cap, their smallest cap, is like nearing a larger small medium, because my head circumference is 20 inches and these wigs usually feel a little bit big, but honestly with this drawstring adjustment, it fits like an absolute glove. So let's try her on. So resistance band on first, back nape, flip, and adjust. Where these should sit is right in front of your ear so that it stretches the lace to lay nice and flat. Oh my goodness, guys, are you kidding me? This color is so incredibly gorgeous. Wow, let me stand up for you guys. So I'm pretty small and this sits right about here. I'm about 5 foot. So she's pretty long. Again, you can customize the length of her hair. She is so customizable. I love her. Now, in terms of the hair quality, pretty good for the most part. I would say I would highly recommend giving it a good brush when you receive it, because I do believe that they put maybe a product in to kind of hold the curl as it ships across the world. So I would definitely recommend giving it a good brush before you kind of make up your mind about it. She was a little crunchy when I first received her, but now that I've given her a good brush, she is pretty smooth. Not the smoothest hair I've ever felt, but again, we have to consider that she is a budget-friendly wig and it is not going to be absolutely perfect. Can't get over this color job. She is absolutely stunning. I love a good darkened root. It always makes the wig look more natural. Let me give you guys an up close of the hairline. So it does say on the website that it is transparent lace, which I think the lace has gotten better. The knots are not 100% bleached. Unfortunately, I have very, very fair skin. So if the knots are dark, then they will appear on my skin. But there are ways that you can customize this wig to make it look perfection. As I always say on all of my videos, I use a lot of translucent powder to kind of disguise these knots. It's kind of something that you have to reapply often, so I would recommend bringing it in your purse. That's one easy way that you can kind of conceal the knots. You can also bring it to a stylist that you trust. If you have someone nearby who can also bleach the knots for you. Honestly, the translucent powder is the easiest thing that I have found. So the knots are pretty visible on my scalp. I will try the translucent powder trick. But other than that, the hairline is not as straight as it used to be. So that is definitely an improvement. I don't know if the lace, Actually, the lace has gotten better. I feel like it's just the knots that I'm seeing and not so much the lace. That is just something to note. Remember guys, this is a budget-friendly piece, but it is a great budget-friendly piece. For the cost that it is, guys, come on. You can also part her wherever you'd like. She does come with a middle part, but you don't necessarily have to keep her a middle part. I will say she is a glueless cap, but if you do intend to put her up in a half up, half down, this part of the lace might peek up just a little. So I would recommend just putting a little bit of tape right there, or glue, but I prefer tape. Honestly, you do not need to apply any adhesive, any glue, any tape if you're just wearing it down like this. Or even if you're too lazy and you don't want to do that, then you can always leave out some face framing layers to add some weight to that part. Also, the wig doesn't come with face framing layers, and that is something that actually it comes with a few layers. Let's look. Just kidding, I lied. It does not come with layers, so that's something that I would highly recommend also doing to customize it to make it look more natural. I feel like wigs that are all the same length doesn't look the most natural because obviously hair has different layers. So I think an easy quick fix would just be to get some face framing layers. That way it kind of normalizes the process of wearing hair, but also it makes the wig more versatile in terms of styling. You can have like cute little face framing layers if you wanted to put it up in like a half up, half down. But there are a lot of things that you can do with this wig, with this length. There is so much hair, and I love it, love it, love it. The fit, honestly, with the drawstring fits pretty great. Someone with a really small head, so I'm very happy with this cap construction. It also feels like pretty light, pretty airy. There isn't really any itchiness or discomfort, so that's a plus. So good job, RPGSHOW. Yeah, I will say the lace really is transparent. I think it's just the knots and the fact that I am pretty fair and the knots are pretty dark that they are apparent on my skin. But honestly, keep in mind that if you have like even the slightest bit darker skin than I do, this wig might actually be perfect for you because you may not be able to see the knots, and therefore you don't have to add translucent powder, so that's a plus for you. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am absolutely obsessed with this wig. If you use my discount code Marcy at checkout, I believe you will save $100 more off any purchase of $400 or more. So keep that in mind. Use my discount code. I will also have the direct link down below for you guys to find and make a purchase. Also, take advantage of their website. Like, look to see what they have to offer because honestly, they have so much to choose from. Also put all of my other previous reviews from RPGSHOW down below so you guys don't have to hunt for them. But anyways, that is it for me. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated on all the latest wig reviews. Follow me on all of my other social media. Book a virtual wig consultation if you are struggling. But without further ado, we will see you next time on The Art of Alopecia. Bye guys.